You are a coach and you want to make additional 10 lakhs revenue. You are already spending money on ads, but you still are struggling to make that profitability and you want to make additional 10 lakhs revenue. I will show you the way, and that is via data analysis. So we are running a agency funnels traffic where we are analyzing data, and our coaches are touching 50 lakhs 1 CR a month. So what if I tell you the way in which we do, and with that way you can make additional 10 lakhs without even spending more money on ads? Won't you feel your business will go to the next level? And for that it's very easy. It's just your agency don't want to do that hard work, or you don't know what to do or what not to do. So let's do it. Now what we do, we are already running ads. This is your landing page, right? This is your landing page. You are already running ads on your landing page. Okay. Now what type of ads? It's Facebook ads and Google ads. Okay. You are doing Facebook ads and Google ads. Now you are running multiple campaigns. Campaign 1, campaign 2, campaign 3. Okay. You are doing multiple campaigns both on Facebook and Google. Inside campaigns there are ad sets. Ad set 1, and inside ad sets it's interest. It's the audience you are targeting. This is ad set 2, again this is ad set 3. Same in campaign 2 and campaign 3. Now there are multiple ads, your creative basically. Now understand one thing. Let's say you are spending 10 lakh rupees, 20 lakh rupees in ads in a month, and you don't know from which campaign, from which ad set, from which ad I got a customer. Don't you feel you are lagging behind in data? And that's what 99% of the agency don't track. They are just pumping money inside ads, and they are not tracking the campaign, ad set and ads. They will tell you from this ads you got this lead, but do they tell you from this ads, from this ad set, from this campaign you got this much number of sales? And let me tell you, if you know from this ad set I got 2 lakhs of revenue, don't you will increase the budget of this ad set even if the cost per lead is high? Now what others are doing, if the cost per lead of one ad set is low, right? One ad set low, you are increasing its budget to get more leads, but you are actually losing on sales, right? You are actually losing on sales. That's wrong. So you should track everything to actually increase the sales. This is one aspect. This way you can increase your sales by monitoring the ad set and ads data. Now second thing, now coming back to one more thing which will blow your mind. Okay, you are doing webinars. First of all, many of you in the market are not maintaining your leads data. Okay, that is first thing. Now everyone is telling there is show up problem. Now we at our agency Funnels Traffic have solved this problem for all our clients. Do you know how? Let's say a webinar is on Sunday. What we do? We try to get maximum leads on Friday and Saturday and slow down on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. This way people are remembering that they have to attend the workshop, and eventually they are attending. This way show up goes. And how this is possible? Data. We have seen each day's attendance. Like this day, let's say Monday we have got 100 leads, 10% attended. Tuesday we got another 100 leads, 12% attended. Thursday we got 100 leads, 15% attended. Saturday we got 100 leads, 50% attended. Imagine, now you know that person who is registering on Saturday and on Sunday he is attending 50%. Why will you not bring maximum leads on Saturday even if the CPL is high? Even if it goes double, but your attendance is also 4 times compared to Monday. Now imagine, this is how you increase the attendance. This is how eventually you increase the sale. That's how you make the maximum ROI out of your ads. And this is what we are doing at Funnels Traffic, and this has worked wonders for it, all because of data analysis. This is just one aspect of data analysis, and if you feel this is powerful, start implementing. with whoever agency you are working, tell them that we need this data, and I'm damn sure they will not be able to give you, because we do it at minute level. We have data analyst in our team who is just doing this, right? So let me know how did you like it, and if you want to go more deep into data on how to do it, tell in the comments. I'll shoot more such videos on what type of data we are maintaining, how we are maintaining, and how you can improve your business and grow your sales and get additional 10 lakhs of revenue. By doing these two things, you will get additional revenue. And we have not even got into email and WhatsApp marketing of data. That will blow the mind. So yes, do it. Thank you.